Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make a grilled leg of lamb served with a cream of eggplant and feta cheese. You know what that means? It's time to grill! Alright folks, let's get started. First of all, we need garlic. Lots of garlic. But please do me the favor and use a knife to cut the garlic. Don't use that crappy garlic presses. That makes your garlic bitter, and we don't want that. So take a piece of time and work and cut your garlic as fine as you can and you like. So that's basic part of the marinade. Lots of garlic, about 6 till 8 cloves of German garlic. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. You can check it out there. So now we put the garlic into a bowl. That's the first step. And then we add some olive oil. Approximately 150 milliliters till 200 milliliters of olive oil. For this great marinade. Only 2 more ingredients left. So we're gonna need some mustard. Gives a nice consistency to the marinade and helps the garlic and the olive oil to connect. And then we need salt and pepper. So this is basically my new mixture, Jack and Smoke, which is smoked salt with whiskey pepper and red berries, of course. But if you don't have any of these, just take some pepper and some salt. Will work great. So that's the marinade. And these are the leg of lamb. So this is the leg of lamb from German online butchery called Don Carne. Nur das beste Fleisch is their motto. It's like only the best meat. So, and we're gonna take these out. These are from Ireland, and this is salt. Salzwiesenlamm in German, which means like salt grass feed lamb or so. I'm 100% sure about the right translation, but this is really good meat, and the only thing we have to do is dry these up, and then we cut a little bit into the skin and into the fat. We don't cut away anything more, just cut like so, so the marinade can penetrate the leg of lamb. So basically this is really great meat here. As you can see, a lot of meat for this leg, really nice color, really cool. So we're gonna put these into another bowl. And then we're gonna add the marinade, we're gonna give it a little massage, and then we're gonna let that marinate in the refrigerator for approximately 4 to 6 hours. That's the plan. So I really like the color, I really like the smell of the lamb combination with the olive oil and the garlic. Just make sure it marinates well. As I said, about 4 to 6 hours in the fridge. And once you're ready with the massage, so marinade is everywhere, it should look like that. So there you go. Before we start grilling the leg of lamb, we're gonna start with 2 eggplants. We're gonna throw them on high direct heat, and we're gonna let them burn completely from the outside. This is completely wanted, so don't complain about burnt eggplants here. Then we're gonna throw the leg of lambs on the gas grill as well. So the left and the right burners are completely full powered. The middle burner is out. So we're gonna create an indirect heat here. We're gonna close the lid and let these grill for approximately 45 till 1 hour or so. And in the meantime, as you can see here, the eggplant burns. Just give it a twist so it burns completely from the other side as well. And this makes the eggplant soft inside. That's what we want, because this is the perfect base for cream and dips. So if you don't like eggplants, this is completely different. You should give that a try. So after, I don't know, 10 minutes for each side, you can still see the outside is pretty hard and the inside is completely soft. So cut away these parts and then open it. Attention, it's pretty hot. So just open it, and as you can see, the inside is completely soft. So now take a spoon, and it's really easy to take the soft part now out of the eggplant, and then we are ready to start the feta cream. So we're gonna put this in the food processor. I use the Thermomix. So this is feta cheese, this is garlic, and we're gonna put everything in there, and then we're gonna give it a mix until it has until it's completely creamy, and it has the consistency that you like. So feta cheese, then some more of that Jack and Smoke whiskey pepper smoke salt mixture, cream cheese, 200 grams of cream cheese, the soft part of the eggplant, and as you can see now it's still hot. 30 seconds to go. Just give it a mix, and after 30 seconds you will have something really special here. Nice flavor from the burnt eggplant with the feta cheese. I like that. You can add some peppermint here. I did so, which is perfect combination for me with lamb. I'm sure that is not 100% what all people like, but I like it. So there's the leg of lamb grilled ready. I really like the color. I also like the roast aromas here we have. It's a little bit darker on some parts. I really enjoy that. So it's still a little bit pink in the inside. You can grill your lamb as you like. I prefer that one here. It's still really juicy meat. As you can see here, we're going to cut these into smaller pieces, so we're going to serve them together with bread and the dip. Of course, you can now just eat the leg of lamb. I'm a big fan of all the things that can be eaten with your hands. So we're going to take 4 slices of baguette, French roll. We're going to add 1 or 2 spoons of these great feta cheese eggplant cream. And then we're gonna add 2 slices of the meat for each, some more salt and pepper, and we're almost ready to eat. So there you go. In Germany this one is really popular. Lamb is really popular for Easter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and comment if you like this video. Make sure to check the lamb and the feta cream. It's really, really delicious and will fit perfect to other, I don't know, Greek style dishes. I'm sure you will find a way to use it. If you're not subscriber of 0815 Barbecue, you can do it now by clicking on the left part of the screen on the logo. It will appear now. You won't miss any other episodes. We're gonna have a lot of great things to come this summer, so make sure to subscribe. It's completely free, but it's useful. So I'm gonna give this a shot. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.